How to use Instagram's new editing app. Instagram recently launched a new app, EDITS, where creators can easily create and edit their reels. Open Play Store on your device. Search for the EDITS app, then download it. Once downloaded, open the app. Make sure you log in to your Instagram account. This is the Ideas section. There are three main options here. First is Stickies, where you can easily note down your video ideas. Simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom right to note down your idea. You can change the color of the note by tapping on the icon at the top right. Click on Add once you're done. Tap and hold on the stickies to edit or delete if you want. Just like so. In the Saved section, you can view all your saved reels. Likewise, in the Collections, you can view your Reels collection. Next is Inspiration. Here you can find trending videos and audios. You can save the video or use the audio. Next is the Project section, where you can find all the videos you edited in the app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right to start a new project. Select pictures or video clips, then tap on Done at the top right. There are many editing tools available, such as audio, text, sticker, captions, and many more. After you're done editing, tap on Export at the top right. Then you can share it on Instagram or Facebook. If you want to delete a draft, simply tap and hold on it, then select Delete. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Next to it is the Camera, where you can record and edit the videos easily. Last one is Insights, where you can view all the insights of the reels you post on Instagram. And that's it.